In this video, you'll learn how to cash out money from Bitget. This process involves several steps to ensure a smooth withdrawal of your funds. By the end, you will be familiar with the necessary actions to take within the Bitget platform. Start by navigating to the Bitget website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Bitget URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the Bitget exchange. It is important to ensure that you are on the correct platform before proceeding. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Beyond Crypto. This button is typically found near the top of the home page. After clicking, you'll be redirected to a new section that offers various services beyond standard trading options. After that, find and click on the profile icon. This icon is usually represented by a silhouette or your account picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to your account settings. Continue by selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Settings page where you can adjust various account preferences. Ensure that you are on the Settings page before proceeding to the next step. Once in the settings, click on Dashboard. This option will direct you to your account dashboard where you can view your account balance and transaction history. It is essential to be on the dashboard to access your assets. Next, click on Assets located within the dashboard. This section displays all the cryptocurrencies and their respective balances in your account. Confirm that your assets are visible before moving forward. After that, find and click on the Withdraw button. This option is often highlighted within the Assets section. Clicking this will bring you to the withdrawal interface where you can initiate the process to cash out your funds. Now, click on Withdraw again. This may seem redundant, but it typically takes you to the withdrawal request form. Ensure that the withdrawal form is displayed before continuing. Next, click on Select a Coin. This option allows you to choose which cryptocurrency you would like to withdraw. Make sure to select the appropriate coin based on your needs. Then click on USDT as your chosen cryptocurrency. This selection is crucial as it will determine the type of withdrawal you are processing. Verify that USDT is highlighted before moving on. Continue by clicking on Deposit. This button usually appears after selecting the cryptocurrency. It will guide you to the next portion of the withdrawal process. Next, click on Select Recipient. This is where you will specify where the funds are being sent. Ensure that you have the correct recipient details ready. After that, click on On-Chain. This option allows you to define how the transfer will occur. It is important to understand the implications of on-chain transfers before proceeding. Now, click on Select Network. This section will let you choose the network through which the withdrawal will be processed. Confirm that you are on the correct network selection screen. Next, click on TRC20 as an example of your network choice. This selection will typically be suitable for USDT transfers. Ensure that TRC20 is selected before continuing. Then click on Withdrawal Address. This is where you will enter the address to which your funds will be sent. Double check this address for accuracy to avoid any loss of funds. Finally, click on Next. This action will submit your withdrawal request. After completing this step, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.